Food not only sustains your body, but it nourishes your soul. I've been brought up in a household where food is an important philosophy. The fulfillment of the dinner table conversations, the intimacy of the kitchen conversations with my mama, the reassurance of namak theek hai na dal mein, the excitement of trying out new recipes from YouTube and adding your personal touch because the ingredients just don't add up in your head. The hope and happiness of seeing all the plates licked clean and the kali mirch aa gayi muh mein. The Sunday chore of separating, washing, and storing the fallen sabjis your papa brought from the 7 a.m. market. That dhania needs to be wrapped in a towel and the onions go on the topmost tier of the chali wali basket. Cooking for my family gives me immense joy and a sense of peace that's so hard to find beyond the carbon grey walls of our kitchen. The pasta I'm cooking here in this video is one of the earliest recipes I learned from my mother, who in turn learned it from a cooking magazine, and we later found out the best combination. It cannot be categorized into the most prevalent categories of red sauce or white sauce or the pink sauce variety gaining popularity these days. It's our recipe that my family and especially my siblings enjoy. You simply start by boiling water and adding about 4 tablespoons of salt for nearly 1.5 liters of water. Add your penne pasta when the water is rolling hot and cook it for 5 minutes. Don't get triggered, but I cook it for a bit more until it softens a bit. Al dente is simply considered kacha khana in my house. You've got to save a little bit of the pasta water. Do not wash your pasta after draining the excess fluid. Just don't. In brown kitchens, you've got to be fast and multitask. While the stove's doing its work of boiling your pasta, you've got to prepare your vegetables. The order that I am recommending here is foolproof. You start by peeling your onions and then washing them before tossing them in the freezer for 5 minutes. No more tears, life hack. Deseed your capsicums and wash your tomatoes. You've got to soak the garlic cloves before peeling them. Makes your life a lot easier. Vegetables are done and the pasta is cooked. Heat oil in the same pot. Mince your garlic. Lower the heat because you don't want to burn the ingredients. Add your garlic to the pot. Add a little bit of chili flakes to add that extra edge. Chop up your onions and toss them in the now golden garlic. Once your onions have that golden brown color, add in the pureed tomatoes. Cook till all the water evaporates and you start seeing the puree slowly separate. Chop up the capsicum while you are cooking the puree. You've got to save time and move fast. I've used about 500 grams of pasta, 4 large onions, an entire head of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 4 tomatoes and nearly 250 grams of capsicum. Once your capsicums are nicely done, add pasta water, cook for a minute and then add pasta. Add 3 tablespoons of malai, 3 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all up. You don't want to cook for long now. Voila, you are done and serve hot. P.S. Don't leave your pasta in the pot, otherwise its heat is going to overcook it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe.